Hello everyone, this is MP. So this is our ninth part of tutorial in the JavaScript basic series. So today we're gonna talk about the objects. So we can make a object and in that object we can store uh, like many variable properties. Okay, let me show you how we can do that. Variable. So a human is equals to, so what are the human properties? We can say name, which is MP, okay, let's put it in this way, it make more sense. So this is kind of like array, but array is a little different, but you can store like many things in it. MP and then age, so 25, and then color, white, and then we can say weight 200, and then eye color brown. That's it, I think. All right, so this is our object and we are putting like too many variables in it, and this gonna, we can call it anytime, like which variable we want to call. So suppose that if we have to variable my info equals to human dot, and here we have like the info, we can call it name, and if we will put it like that, document dot write dot my info. If we will write like this, then it gonna show that particular property of like name. All right, so let's see. What has happened here? Okay guys, so I got it. One is like this mistake. All right, let me, still it's not coming this extra bracket, so now it will work. MP, okay. So yeah, those are small things you guys have to take care, and you can simply call any of the property in the variable, any name like color, weight, or eye color, and you can also give that properties on the fly. How you can do that, let me tell you. So what we can see here, simply we will put our variable, and we gonna give like any property, like what other property we can give, clothes, clothes, and then we have to give the property. So cloth is like kind of property, and this is kind of value. So here we gonna pass the value. Color is black, and now if we will call this clothes here, we will get this information. Okay, let's save this, and now we're gonna run this. So here we go. So you will get that black. So this is how you can store many properties and values in a one variable, like we are saving an array. So similarly, you can also modify the values. So suppose that if you are putting my variable in this one, and you can say human dot clothes equal to white, and then now you're gonna get the last modified value. Why we are not getting that? Oh, because we are showing here in my info, and here we have to update that. Okay, let's put this under this one. Let's save it and see if it's working. All right, so as you can see, we can also modify in the runtime. So this is all about the object. So next video I will talk about the arrays. So as you know that, or maybe you don't know, array is the only collection which is available in the JavaScript. So you can use the arrays as your collection, like in coded UI or any other languages, C#, Java, and we can use like data table, data sets, lists, and arrays too. So there are a lot of more collection options we have, but in JavaScript we have only arrays. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.